Welcome back to the channel, where we look at the most amazing treasures in American history. Today, we are talking about a coin so rare and so valuable that it changed the way the United States thought about money. This is the story of the 1792 Birch Cent. It is a legendary piece of copper that recently shocked the world by selling for over $2 million at a big auction. You are watching the Diggin Dave, and I am so excited to share the details of this masterpiece with you today. This is not just an old penny. It is one of the very first experimental coins ever made for the brand new United States Mint. Imagine holding a piece of history that was handled by Thomas Jefferson or George Washington. This rare coin represents the actual birth of our nation's economy. To understand why this penny is worth a staggering $2 million, we have to travel back to the year 1792. Back then, the United States was a young and struggling nation. It was trying to find its own identity after the Revolution. Before this coin was made, Americans used a messy mix of foreign money. They used mostly Spanish silver and different copper tokens from various states. Congress realized they needed one type of money to make the economy strong. This led to the famous Coinage Act of 1792. This law allowed the government to build the first U.S. mint in Philadelphia. But before the big machines were even ready, the Founding Fathers ordered special test coins to see what the new money should look like. These first versions were the first steps toward the change. The design of the Birch Cent is very beautiful and carries a message about American values. On the front, you see a portrait of Lady Liberty with her hair flowing freely. This was meant to show the spirit of a new and free country. Around her, there is a motto that you will not find on our modern coins today. It says, "Liberty, parent of science and industry." This was not just a simple slogan, it was a goal for the United States. The Founding Fathers believed that freedom would lead to new inventions and a better economy. This motto makes the coin a tiny manifesto of American ideas. Below the image of liberty, you can see the date 1792 and the name Birch. This name refers to the artist who carved the design for the coin. It is a stunning piece of art on a small copper disc. When we talk about the price of this coin, the numbers are truly mind-blowing. In the late 1800s, this coin was already a dream for collectors. But back then, it sold for what we would call pocket change today. In the year 1890, one beautiful Birch Cent was sold at an auction for only $85. While that was a good amount of money back then, nobody knew how much the value would grow. By the middle of the 20th century, the prices started to climb into the thousands. By the time we got to 2015, the market for early American copper coins became very hot. One specific Birch Cent in great condition broke records when a collector bought it for over $2.5 million. It is amazing to think that $85 turned into millions of dollars. Today, the value of these coins stays in the multi-million-dollar range. Even coins that are in bad shape, with a lot of wear and tear, can sell for huge amounts. They often sell for between $300,000 and $600,000. Recently, a version with a small silver plug in the center sold for over $700,000. This silver plug was a test to see if they could make the coin worth its weight. If a perfect version of this coin were sold in 2026, experts think it could sell for nearly $5 million. For many American investors, these are not just coins anymore. They are viewed as safe investments that grow fast. The demand for these rare 1792 coins is very high. People all over the world want to own a piece of this amazing history right now. What makes the Birch Cent different from the pennies we use today is its giant size and weight. According to the first laws, a penny was supposed to have enough copper to be worth exactly 1 cent. This resulted in a coin that was almost twice as big as a modern quarter. It was heavy and bulky to carry around. Because of this, the government soon realized it was too expensive and hard to use for daily shopping. The mint quickly changed the rules and made the coins smaller and lighter. This change made the original giant prototypes useless almost immediately. This failure of the first design is exactly why they are so rare today. They were never meant for regular people to use. They were made for the President and Congress to look at before the real production started at the mint. The real value of the Birch Cent is the connection to the people who built America. Records show that Thomas Jefferson was personally involved in making these early coins. There is even a famous story that he and George Washington watched as these coins were being made. For a coin collector, owning a Birch Cent is like owning a piece of the vision held by our founding fathers. It is a real link to the summer of 1792, when the American dream was being turned into metal. This is why the price reached over $2.5 million recently. It is a mix of being very rare, having a great story, and representing the very beginning of the United States Mint. It is truly the best prize for any serious coin hunter. Owning one is like holding the heartbeat of money. Could there be another Birch Cent hiding in an old attic or a box of junk? While it is not very likely, it is still possible. Rare coins have been found in the most surprising places before. Sometimes people think they are just old tokens or foreign money and do not know their true value. Keeping your eyes open for early American copper is what makes this hobby so fun. Even if we never find a $1 million penny ourselves, learning about them helps us respect the history of our money. The 1792 Birch Cent remains a top treasure and a symbol of American science and hard work. It reminds us of how far we have come since those first tests in a Philadelphia basement. If you enjoyed this look at one of the world's most expensive pennies, make sure to like and follow for more videos.